Going to run some errands this afternoon, y'all. Last stop is going to be Ingles to go in and get the stuff we need for supper and some of the stuff they have on sale this week. I'm going to be doing the rest of the grocery haul with a Walmart pickup order probably tomorrow. Oh good, a spot right at the buggy return. I love these spots. Let's get us a buggy. Get some strawberries. I think we need some ginger. We need these little potatoes. We're gonna make smashed potatoes tonight with some Philly cheesesteaks. We need a green bell pepper, and we're gonna go with green and red for the Philly cheesesteaks, right? Yep. So we got green and we need a red. Why is the green cheaper? Anybody know? Green bell peppers are only $2, but all the other ones are $2.98. Pick us a red one, Sissy. Yep, that's a good one. We got the potatoes. We need bananas. The little watermelons are on sale. And I was going to see if they had that coconut water in. We'll go ahead and get the bananas. Here are the watermelons. It's the little personal ones. I think that's a good one. Yeah. None of the coconut water things. They have some cinnamon glazed pecans and cashews and almonds over here. The cake section. We need some bacon and sausage. I don't know. I didn't. We gotta get some rolls for the Philly cheesesteaks. Let's see what kind we want to get. They have potato rolls back there, but we want these. Hoagie Rolls right here. They have a reward for if you're signed up for their emails. That's a 20-pack box of Ritz cracker sandwiches. I don't see them right here. Maybe they're on the other side. Skinny Pop, Sissy? We want white cheddar, butter? White cheddar. Okay. And we'll get some of our Siete chips down here. Oh, they have the chips. Yeah, let's get those. Dark Russets kettle chips. Never seen those before. Let's see if those Ritz cracker sandwiches are on this aisle. Oh, here they are. Yeah, 20 pack. Y'all, I can't see. Do we want the variety pack, the peanut butter and cheese?
Yeah, I love the cheese.
I wanted to see if they had a Philly cheesesteak seasoning. Just to try with our Philly cheesesteaks tonight. Let's see, we got chili. Oh, look at this, black cherry chipotle. The steak blend. Cowboy butter. Wood-fired garlic. We've gotten the wood-fired garlic before, I think. I have the caramelized onion butter at home. They have all-purpose, the blend, buttery steakhouse. And then down here, the rib rack seasonings are original, Tuscan herb, pork, burger steak, Cajun steakhouse, 25. Yeah, the kids wanted to try these granola bars. Where are they? We got them the other day, Cece. They're on sale this week. They're called, I'm looking for the, oh, there they are down there. They have the peanut butter. They're buy one, get one free. They've got
peanut butter.
Strawberry ones over there. Grab a peanut butter chocolate chip, and regular chocolate chip. Which other ones do you want to try?
Regular chocolate chip.
Okay. We gotta get the steak for the Philly cheesesteaks. Let's see.
Oh, is this steak?
Yeah, but I don't want to get that kind. We need like a thin cut sirloin or ribeye. They didn't have any thin cut ribeye, but we got those sirloin down there. Did we get raisins last time? We didn't, did we?
Yeah, we were looking.
Hey, they have some freeze-dried mango right here. I'm gonna get some of that. We get it from Betty's, but it's, you know, a different brand, of course, and it's like $6. This is on sale for $2.98. Feels like a little bit more in here too. Panera, still not on sale. Still my favorite, but not on sale. And here it's $12, not on sale. So we're gonna skip that because we like other kinds too. That's just my favorite. When it goes on sale, I'm gonna stock up on it. 8 o'clock's on sale for $7.98. McCafe's for $5.98. Pete's is on sale for $7.98. And the one that I got last week is still on sale for $7.98. It's the whole bean kind. I haven't even started using it yet, so we'll wait on the coffee. These 2-pound bags of cheese are on sale for $5.98 this week. and the 2-pound blocks. We need provolone for the Philly cheesesteaks tonight. Let's see what's on sale with that. Laura Lynn is $3.18. Tillamook is $4.68. Oh, Sargento is 2 for $5, so that's going to be our cheapest route this week. Here we go. At Ingles, you don't have to get the 2 to get the price of, 2 for $5. This will just be $2.50 by itself. Coffee creamer. So I tried this one, and it was wonderful. It's now my new favorite. The Cafe Compliments Hazelnut. It was really good. They also have caramel, Italian sweet cream, and French vanilla. It's not wanting to come out here. There we go. I think we still have plenty of frozen blueberries and strawberries and all that. We're gonna get Outshine bars, and I saw a new popsicle, Cece. They're called Frollies, I think, if I remember right. I could be wrong on that. Something like that. Oh look, they have tropical punch. Which one?
I want to try this one.
Lemon? Okay. We're not seeing the Frollies. Y'all remember the lemon pearls? I love the lemon and cream. Well, we can't find the lemon and cream anymore, but I see they have banana pudding now. You see that?
Yeah.
Banana pudding, birthday cake, cookies and cream, orange and cream, strawberry cheesecake, strawberries and cream, triple berry.
Yeah, they
I don't know why they did away with the lemon and cream. That was my favorite. I've tried the orange and cream. It's not as great as the lemon one was, though. This is why I like parking next to the buggy rack. You don't have far to go. I'm pretty sure I showed y'all everything as we were getting in the store, so we're just gonna put everything up real quick and then start supper. I'm gonna go ahead and preheat the oven to 375. We're making sheet pan Philly cheesesteaks and smashed potatoes. I do need to boil the potatoes on the stovetop a little bit first though. That way I can smash them really good. And then we're gonna bake them the rest of the way in the oven. I love to do smashed potatoes on the Blackstone. I'm gonna leave this provolone cheese out, so we're about to be using it for the Philly cheesesteaks. I'm gonna go ahead and start some water for the potatoes while I finish putting everything else up. Oh, it keeps looking like it's gonna rain, y'all. The sun will be shining and it's great, and then all of a sudden the clouds roll in again.
Oh man, I hope it doesn't rain because I want to play baseball.
Yeah, the kids are wanting to play baseball this evening, but I don't know. The ground's really wet too from all the rain we've been having, so. Now I'm just going to put some salt and pepper. I'm going to put the steaks in at 400 by themselves for about 8 minutes or so. While they're in there, I'll be slicing up the peppers and onions. And we'll go ahead and smash the potatoes and get them in the oven too. So I'm just going to put down some olive oil on here.
I just made up the salt and smashed potatoes. Smash them up.
Sissy's making up a smashed potato song right there. Smash them up. So we've got our Blackstone smasher thing here. I love doing these on the Blackstone because you really hear that little pop that the potatoes make when you smash them. Did they smash?
Yeah.
Now smash them down, Mr. Man.
Oh yeah, smash those potatoes.
We'll drizzle over a little more olive oil. And I'm going to put some of the McCormick steak seasoning, Montreal steak seasoning on these. This one right here.
Is it just for potatoes?
Mm-hmm. Now we just put the peppers and onions all around on here with the steaks. Now if you can find a big steak, I normally like to get ribeye, But Ingles didn't have any ribeye steaks out for some reason. But from Walmart, you can get really thin sliced ribeye. It's already sliced super, super thin. It's perfect for Philly cheesesteaks. What we'll do is when the steaks and peppers and onions all get done here in a minute, we'll take the steaks off and slice them up into really thin strips. So I'm just gonna leave my cutting board out when we slice the steak. And I'm just gonna go with salt and pepper on the peppers and onions too. Now sometimes I put Worcestershire sauce, but I think the kids like it better without that being on it, just salt and pepper. I think I will put a little bit of butter over the tops of the peppers and onions, but that'll be it. Okay, there we go. Now it's going back in for about 10 to 12 minutes. Now we'll just take the cheese and put it all over the top and put it back in the oven just long enough to melt the cheese, about 5 minutes.
That's what it's supposed to look like right there, everybody. Then you fold it over, and we all know what to do with it then.
Your peppers are looking like tentacles almost coming out.
Like little crab legs? That's what you're after, folks. You want that crab leg look coming out.
Don't forget your potatoes. We already tasted those. They're good.
Yeah. Now let's put a little sour cream.
Sour, not sour.
Sour cream right there on the top of your taters. Now, what I want to do tonight is make a challenge here. How do you do this?
Who wants to say supper?
Can't you see me over there in the other part of the world? Y'all got any Philly cheesesteak? I was born on the playground, boys.
Real good.
No words needed. Sometimes simple is best.